Can you describe the following picture in one sentence English in 10 seconds? After watching the video, you can describe the picture in one sentence English. Easy English speaking without memorization. Into the fourth session. Subject plus smash plus object plus into plus place. Before watching the video, please turn on the subtitle. The subtitle translation includes Hindi, Bengali, Japanese, Vietnamese, and Korean. Easy English speaking is one of the best ways to prepare for OPIC, IELTS speaking, ETS, TOEIC speaking. The basic meaning of into is as follows. The basic meaning of into has three components. The first thing is that the place should have some kind of boundary or surface. Second, the motion or the movement should infiltrate the place. And third, when the infiltration happens, there should be some friction or shock. In this session, we are going to focus upon the third component, friction, and the use of into. When you want to speak in English, try to find out the mover. The mover is something that experiences change of place or change of state. In this place, what has changed this place is the wood board. Second, take a look at this picture and there is a shock, right? There is a huge shock and there is a huge friction. So this picture has something to do with the action of into. The result and place of the wood board is the joker's face. And you have to find out why the mover moved. Did it move by itself? No, because of this person with the beanie on, right? So we are going to call him causer, which caused the mover move, right? So we are going to call causer, and we are going to refer to causer as he or the man. And how did the causer affect the event, bold in red? Well, it's quite definitely showing that the man is smashing the wood board. So in this case, the manner verb is smash. But if you don't know the meaning of smash, then you can use the word get. Let's find out the word order. So you have to just sequence the components into this kind of word order. The first thing that should come is the causer. And as we talked about, this picture's causer is the man, and the manner of motion is get or smash, right? And the mover is the wood board. Wood board moved, and the action is about the friction, and in this case the action word is into. And the result and place is joker's head, joker's face, right? So mover, action, result, and state. These three things are combined very intact. So the man get the wood board into joker's face, right? But if you know the word smash, you can use just like this. The man smash the wood board into joker's face, right? I'm going to give you 5 seconds and try to make a sentence for it. You have to use get for this case. Ready? Go. The answer is the man gets the wood board into joker's face. Now, let's describe picture with the use of smash. I'm going to give you 5 seconds again. The answer is the man smashes the wood board into joker's face. This is the end of our into session, the fourth into session with the verb smash. And you can practice more at our Facebook Messenger AI chatbot Easy English Speaking. And if you put down the password code joker/board, you can practice more with our AI chatbot Facebook Messenger. If you liked our video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you click the subscribe button, you can follow our latest news. Thanks for watching.